Greetings and welcome to Youtique Bridal. In honor of their Father's Day event, the gentlemen of Williams-Sonoma Town Country will be showing us how to tie a bow tie. So let's get started. Yeah, longer than the other. A long one. So you're gonna, yep. And cross it over, then knead it. I know how to do that, so he's doing pretty good. Really good. Yeah, that's okay. Now take that. Yep.
Like this?
You go on your shoulder. Pull it over the center of the bow. Ends of the bow. Place them together and pull. There you go.
Not all the way through though.
Not all the way through. There you go.
Awesome.
Yay! You did it.
Okay.
Awesome. Yay, Mark.
Okay.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
You
Oh.
did great. You got the bride here. Come over here, bride. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and let's watch their first attempts. Here, show the camera how yours turned out. Now, if you got it on your first try, you're pretty awesome. Let's see. No. There you go.
This is the important thing.
Just shape it.
Yay!
Now, if you got it on your
Hold it?
Yep, and then you can pull it.
Oh, thank God.
Oh,
Voila.
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 Good job. There you go.
Like this.
Good job.
All right.
Yay!
I'm
Let's
ready
try
to
this
go.
again. Try it again. Let's see. You kind of get the idea, though?
Yeah, I do. I gotta
Yeah.
get back to
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's fine.
I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna master it. Well, maybe not master.
These gentlemen were so much fun. Thank you guys for being such a good sport. Happy Father's Day, and thank you for visiting Youtique Bridal. Well, I hope you get inspired to do something extraordinary out of the ordinary.